But there is a new frontier: behavioral biometrics.
Sentinel doesn't just see your face, it feels your rhythm.
The cadence of your typing is your unique signature.
Your gait, the way you move, cannot be deep-faked.
The electrical signature of your heart, an uncopyable key. Multimodal defense. Layers of biological proof. Sentinel detects the lack of blood flow in fake prints.
Rejected by the life check. The phantom is blocked.
Protecting your device. Your window to the market. Seeing the truth through the deepfake noise.
Neutralizing the threat before the trade is made.
Securing the information that moves your wealth. A global network of uncopyable identities. The machine now serves the human. Integrity confirmed. Certified assets. Value you can verify. Peace of mind. The bypass is over. The unbreakable vault. Your life, your rules. Reclaiming your sovereignty. Turn the Sentinel on. Solid growth through secure identity. Fixing the systemic errors of the password era.
The future of identity is here. The right direction for the savvy investor.
Behavioral match confirmed. Your rhythm is your fortress.
Sustainable security for a digital world. Tangible alpha through behavioral proof. The beacon of truth in the age of fakes.
Growing trust. One heartbeat at a time. Integrated identity security. Protected information flow. The return of the authenticated human. Collaborative security. Mind and machine. Universal protection for everyone.
Mission complete.
Wealth 2.0. Claim your future. Instant behavioral verification. Empowered by integrity. The Sentinel Promise. Your portfolio is shielded. Optimized architecture for fairness. Choosing the path of security. Welcome to TradingMaster Sentinel.
Your new era begins now.
Audited identity. Audited assets. The visionary investor.
Clearing the path for biometric sovereignty.
Sentinel active. Secure your financial future with TradingMaster AI.